Hello guys, so as you can see, we are so busy right here in the kitchen preparing for our desserts, binignit and biko for Halloween nights, and also we cook some pancit, and I have some leftover pork with veggies that I cook on that afternoon. I didn't expect that we're gonna have a get-together party, and as you can see, Brianna is really happy because her friend visit her and she has no idea that they're gonna stop by at the house, and I didn't tell her at all because I wasn't sure at all that they're gonna stop over, because as when we were messaging back and forth with Len, she said that she's gonna go directly to Cebu, so I have no idea, and I was just surprised when they knocked the door. And then Brianna is sitting in the couch and she was so excited when she saw her friend Chiska. So that was a good get together girls night. So at this time we're waiting for our another friend Ali. She also our neighbor, and she is ready to come over and join us. So here's our short video and I hope you enjoy it. Hello guys, so it's Halloween night over here in the Philippines, and I have my friend with me over here. She arrived from Mindanao with her niece. We're cooking binignit and biko. She's pretty good cooking this dessert, so she's gonna be the one cooking the binignit and biko tonight, and we're gonna cook some pancit also. So she brought her niece with her, Chiska, Brianna's friend. They used to live here in Marpas before with Alen's fiance, Dave. So we miss Dave. So we're gonna show you our dessert tonight when we cook it. And we have some friends coming also tonight to join with us with this dessert. So it's gonna be good. And they're leaving tomorrow early in the morning to Cebu, right?
Yeah, for Cebu.
Yeah.
Feeling the banana.
So we have some banana. This is for binignit, and we got some
ingredients.
they got kamuti. Kamuti nino?
Oh, kamuti.
Kamuti, sagu. This is for the binignit. Asa mo tong purple obe?
Oh,
Yeah. We're gonna use this purple condensed creamer.
Yeah, we have ubi. I think this is ubi.
Ubi. And this kind of sugar is very good for binignit. Makaigo na din is binignit.
Kuan na, kanang sa biko na.
Oh, this is for biko. Sorry. And this one, this coconut is also for biko. This is for the biko.
Yung sa binignit
Sweet rice. Magsagol maputaan ni no?
Oo.
This one is for the binignit. Oh, daghan lagi palit ni Zini garlic. Oy. Got a lot of garlic. More kamuti. So that's it. And the banana. And this one is for our pancit. Chicken breast. So Brianna is really happy today because her friends visiting her tonight. Chiska. Right, Bria, are you surprised?
Yeah, Mom did not even tell me, so I was surprised, which is good.
Yeah, I didn't tell you that they're coming. They went swimming already.
I also gave her a bracelet.
Yeah. So here's our binignit. It's almost finished. And this one is for the pancit. And this one is for biko dessert. So this is the pork with veggies. Here's our pancit, rice, and our binignit. Looks good. The Biko is still cooking right now. So we're gonna, and this is chicken, Ali, from Ali. Yummy with cucumber. And we have some drinks over here. But we're just girls tonight, so no alcohol. And I got my friends over here, Ali, Len, and Geraldine. And me. Cheers!
Ladies only.
Sorry guys, ladies only for tonight. You're happy, Bri?
Yep.